In this video, I will unboxing N72 GT Classic Encom. I will show you how to remove every parts of this helmet. By the way, this is 14 pieces of helmet, all same model, which I need to remove every parts of the helmet, which can be removed easily. So I will show you, I will explain to you how to remove and easily remove each part of this helmet. So let's start. So first, this is the sun visor, so which I put back in the box, and this black is the anti-scratch bag for the helmet. So always put your helmet inside this bag while you're not using your helmet. It will protect from scratch. So always when you're removing all parts of this helmet, so you always start with the visor, so because you don't want to scratch the visor, as is this is very wide and clear visor, so we always start to remove the visor. So after that, I remove the chin guard. This is removable chin guard, by the way, with the 6 possible configuration. This is also a micro lock retention system. That is this yeah, I remove. I need to check one by one each and every single small details, so I need to check. I'm not doing it for first time, actually. Doing it for how many times, because I'm putting intercom for this kind of helmet as well. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, so I always remove the inner layer padding like that. You just need to pull it. Pull every corner. By the way, this inner layer is washable and easily removed. I'm struggling to remove this part. But don't worry, this helmet is very strong. I'm doing it safely, so it's okay. Anyway, if you want to wash the paddings, you don't put in the washing machine. Do it by hand wash only. So my next step, yeah, so this is the complete shell. Open.
What? Not close.
Yeah, this one close. Need to come from there. So actually, I removed that sun visor. So you just need to pull that one, and you can easily remove that. I don't show it in the video. I forgot it to take a video on that one. So this tools is actually included when you buy the intercom from the Nolan. So I get it from there. I remove this thing, and I remove the I remove this. Okay. I remove the foam. So I remove also the sticker as we are changing the color of this one. I'm just checking if there is missing parts or there's changes with the helmet. This is the new model actually, new production. So I'm removing the sticker, the back of the helmet, I'm doing it very carefully. Actually, I have another video of the visor removing the ventilation. If you want to change the visor color, so when you buy the visor in different color, you need to remove the ventilation in the front. So I have another video of that. So now I think I completely remove everything. So I'm putting every small parts which I remove from the helmet in this plastic. Don't want to lose it.
Hello. Any gloves?
No, I don't need gloves. I just wanted to ask you a question. If I bring my helmet, can you fix it for me?
What's the problem?
The
Visor?
Yeah.
Broken?
yes,
Which helmet you have?
I have some for the go karting one.
Same like the
Yes,
one?
maybe I have few friends talking to me this time.
Brand?
It's Rota.
Rotax.
Yeah. No?
Now I'm putting it back on the scratch protection bags so that I don't want to scratch the helmet before painting. And this is the first helmet, and I have 13 more. That's all, guys. Thank you.